Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Greenshift's content switcher block in WordPress. This is a mini-series on taking a look at Greenshift's blocks individually. So to get started, let's go ahead and open a brand new blank page so we can look at this block in depth. So there's a couple of ways to do this. The first one is if you log in using your admin password and username, you'll end up on this dashboard. And all you have to do is go on your left-hand sidebar, hover down over to Pages and click on Add New Page. Alternatively, if you're already logged in anywhere on your site, you'll have this top toolbar. Hover over New and click on Page. That's going to create a brand new blank page for us and take us to the WordPress block editor. Alright, so once we're on here, just a few housekeeping things. If this right-hand sidebar, toolbar thing isn't there, click on this button called Settings. It's beside the Publish button, because this is where we will find our settings, adjust them, and toggle them for our block. Next, let's go ahead and give our our page a title just to keep things organized. Content Switcher Test. Okay, now we can finally actually add our block to the page. So there's this blue button over here with a plus icon called the block inserter. Click on that. And we can search for it over here, or we can scroll down over here to see Greenshift elements and look for Content Switcher. I don't believe it's here, so let's go ahead and scroll down a bit more, and you'll see extra elements, and there's this G icon here. This means that this is these are Greenshift blocks, and you can see we have Switcher. All right, so let's go ahead and drag and drop that over here. Okay, we have our on, we have our off. Let's go ahead and click on X over here just to close this, so you have more room to work with. Now, let's go ahead and talk about these options later, but let's switch it over to the off position, and let's insert an advanced image using the Greenshift Image Advanced block. And let's go ahead and use these stock images of helmets. So we have this blue helmet here, and then when we click on, we have another blank area where we can add our block. So all you have to do is just click on this plus icon called Add Block, and you can add the image of the red one. Now, it doesn't actually have to be images. It can be anything you want. So, well, we're just going to use these two colors of helmets as an example, but it can be an image block first, and then social media share icons in the next, so on and so forth. But for this video, let's keep it simple, and we'll have these two colors. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at our switcher. We can put our labels on the outside or on the inside. We can change the alignment, left, right, middle. We can disable the content just so that we can do some housekeeping when we're editing our site. We have some presets here, default, labels inside, labels and icons. Okay, I think this one is nice. And you can see when we change this, it changes the color in the background. Switcher controls, we can change the width, height, offset, radius, and spacing and margins. We also have a bunch of styles here. So for off, we can make it just red, okay? And then for on, it's the gradient one. And when we hover over it, we can put the color like green, right? Oh, maybe something like that, if it'll save. So that's just fine. And we have our on label color and off label color. That's what these are. Label settings. The off position can be well, first and foremost, we can disable the label, okay? But we can also set it to blue and then a red, right? And it's actually kind of backwards, but let's just keep it on there to make the video a bit more fun. We can change the text color, hover color, font size, and all that fun stuff you guys already know. We can also enable icons for these, but yeah, let's just keep them on there, and you can just choose which one you want, okay? Right? Or maybe this, and then this one. Yeah, okay, that's fine. And we can also change the icon colors as well. We can change the border. We can change the shadow. We can change the save the options to local storage, but that's an add-on. We can choose spacing, background, and finally height. We also have advanced options here, such as animations and CSS stuff and responsive stuff to enable or disable it in desktop, tablet, or mobile. So let's go ahead and just shrink these down a bit. Or actually, just click on this and change the size to maybe medium. Okay, and then maybe we can center it. And then same with the red one. Let's make this medium. Oh wait, no, medium, and center it, and that looks much better. Okay, so once we're happy with that, let's go ahead and click on Publish and take a look at it on our live site once we're done saving our progress. Okay, it's done saving. Let's go ahead and click on View Page to see how it looks like on our actual site. So we have our site here. It's live. Content color switcher test. That's a new page. We have our content here, blue. Let's select red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. So there's Greenshift's content switcher block. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.